I'm an algo trader. So what do we do? What you're looking at here is a payoff diagram of our entire portfolio. This one, we're going to be making a HTTP request to an exchange, and then we'll stream the order book via a web. So now you need to think about, when can we actually use this strategy, and when are we going to be absolutely destroyed if we use something like this? Having the Black-Scholes equation back in the day gave me so much goddamn trauma. Where are you going to go to learn all of this? Here, right in our school community. We've got a few lessons, and the major one is our trading systems course. We'll teach you exactly how to set up a trading system whereby you can just quickly swap strategies in and out. Then the question is, how do we actually find edge in the market? We set up exchange connections here, and we implement things like place limit orders, cancel orders, market orders here, right? And we need to get open orders, get our positions, everything we need to do to interact with an exchange. And we'll teach you exactly how to do that. Then also, that will connect to various things like our strategy. So here, we're gonna implement a very simple strategy, but the way we've coded this is that you can swap strategies in and out, because I want you, this is going to be about how to build trading systems. And then you can take this knowledge and then with your own ideas, use this to trade in the market with what brilliant things you come up with. We also have the ability to monitor our risk here. We can test our code, both unit tests and integration tests here. Also, we set up our base code, which is very important. So we have these base structs, we have our state, and there's just so much code here, but we're going to step by step walk you through it, exactly how to do it. So if you want to start algo trading with us, join the school. Can't wait to see you on the other side.